This video will demonstrate how to use 922s5 Proxy with the Opera browser. First, we open the 922s5 client and navigate to the port proxy page. Click on Filter to select the country and other information for the IP you need to extract. Once you've made your selections, click Confirm. Next, we choose an IP, right-click on it, and forward it to an available port. After successfully forwarding, we click on the port forward list below, find the extracted IP, and click the Copy button on the right. Next, we open the Opera browser, click on the logo icon in the top left corner, find Settings in the drop-down menu, and click it. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, find the Advanced button, and click it. Then, continue scrolling down to find the System section. And click on Open your computer's proxy settings. Scroll down to find the proxy settings, and toggle the proxy switch on. In the proxy information field below, paste the IP information we just copied from 922s5, and enter the port number. After filling in the information, click the Save button. Now, we return to the Opera browser, open a new tab, and visit an IP info site to check the current IP information. You should see that the current IP matches the one we extracted from 922s5, which indicates that the configuration was successful.